Please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the latest updates.
Hi everyone, this is TSM from Wikitech. Hi guys, in this video let's check out how to create the Amazon affiliate marketing. To do that, just open the browser and type Amazon affiliate marketing, then visit the first link. So just go for the join or free account. At the top side, I have seen T. Venkateshwar is my father. So this is the account. I mean, I have already Amazon account which I usually place the orders, but I do not have affiliate marketing account. So when I was creating the account, it asking me my old ID. So this is the information. So I was going to sign up with my old ID. And also at the downside, I have seen that your account information. Scrolling down, this is the address which I was linked with my existing account. And also you have seen the option select different address. If you want, you can go with different option, or else you can leave it. And the second one is who is the main account contact for this account. So I was not going to change any option because I am only the myself who is the payee. This option is asking us, are you a US resident person? So I'm not a US person, so I was just going to select the no. After that, just click on the option next. So here it asking our website, because at where we give the links, so we need to provide something address like that what we're doing. So I am a YouTuber, you know that, so I was providing my YouTube address. I just opened my YouTube channel and I was going to copy that URL and I was pasting my URL here. Just click on the after pasting URL, just click on the add. That's it. So you can leave this option empty, then just go for next. So it asking us what is your preferred associate store ID. So this is the ID which we need to where our client, if anyone purchasing by our links, then those guys will see. So I was entering here my preferred store ID is, I was just entering my YouTube channel name here, Wikitech. That's it. So I have already given the website. So you have seen the YouTube channel link I have given. Please enter only alphabetics and numbers. Okay, this is my channel name, so I was given the same name here, so the people will understand where they was purchasing from the links. And the next option is you have seen the website I have entered, just leave the option. I do not have any mobile app list. So what are the website the mobile apps about? So we need to enter the about our what we doing in the channel. Yeah, it reviewer. And so have you entered the few viewers like that? I mean, tech reviewer and provide information about the gadgets. That's it. Which of the following topic best describes your website or mobile apps? I just go for the option technology. Again, I was going to select the option technology only. That's it. So you can select these options. Which type of items do you intend to? So usually the first option is electronics and computers. I just select the option clothing and games. That's enough for me. The next option, what type of your website or mobile app? So here I was going to select the option others. So I was not going to add anything in the others. I just leave the option. And the next option is traffic and monetization. I mean, how can we generate the traffic here? Just email, shopping portals, offline, displaying advertisements, social networks, forums, SEO, blogs, and others. These are the suitable ways where I can publish the ads to the clients. So how do you utilize your website and apps to generate the income? Third party market affiliating. How do you usually build links? Others. Just select the option others is enough. How many total unique visitors do your website and payment gets per month? So my channel is very newbie, so it's nearly less than 500. I was going to select the option. So what is your primary reason for joining Amazon affiliate program? Useful content for my site. That is a perfect answer for me. How did you hear about us? Online search. So you can choose all these options based on your priority. I have chosen here based on my priority. So we need to write here captcha. We need to enter the captcha. After entering the captcha, just accept the terms and conditions and click on finish. So here, see our unique store ID is Wikitech21 is your unique store ID. And also have seen that congratulations T Venkateshwar Rao, my father name, and here your unique store ID is Wikitech21. So after that, after getting the store ID, you need to enter this details, enter your payment and taxation. So you can choose here now or you can choose the later. I just selected the option now. Password of the existing mail which I was signing right now. So I get OTP here. I just entered my phone number to get OTP. After that we need to enter the OTP which you get mobile. So in the next screen you have seen the option window like this. Are you monetizing international traffic? You can now receive earnings bank account to click here. So here you have choose the option pay me by NEFT minimum 1000 earning. So right now I was going to skip this option. It's up to your interest. So the next screen guys you have seen like that, this is it. Is the you have successfully created the Amazon affiliate marketing account. When you click on the home option, you have seen like this. Here is the new navigation bar. Click on the drag. You have seen the menu options here, like home, product linking, widgets, tools, reports, like that. So you can change your country here, and you can change the language also here, and also you can change the account settings tracking ID in this area. And whereas the downside you have seen earning and clicking duration the last 30 days you have seen here. And this is the summary of the month. I mean the total amount of items shipped and the total amount you get, commissions, clicks, and everything you have seen in this space, in this airport, in this area. I just click on just started. So in the home page, when you navigate down, let me scroll down in the home page. So at the bottom side, I have seen we can enter the keyword, I mean which item we want to link. So just type the letters mobile. So let's see what we found here. So when you scroll down, you have seen some options of the mobiles. Asus, this is the Asus phone. Another one is a Nokia. Suppose if I want to link the Nokia, then I need to click here. Then you will get a link URL. See that link is very big in size. So if I want to short this link, because we couldn't send the big links to everyone, and also in the description also it is not good. So when you click on the short URL, you have seen that when you click on the short URL, you have seen the short URL. You just copy that link and you can paste the link where you want to give the publish. It's very simple and very easiest way, and also you guys can make a lot of money by doing this affiliate marketing. And also thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. Please subscribe the channel and tap on the bell icon for further notifications. See you very soon. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad.